Excessive exposure to blue light, which can come from common electronic devices such as personal computers, tablets, and mobile phones, but also from televisions, has been shown to harm a wide variety of cells in the human body, including the skin, fat cells, and sensory neurons. These effects can be prevented by limiting the amount of time spent in front of these devices. Researchers at Oregon State University, USA, tested light-exposed fly cells in studies that were published in Frontiers in Aging. These studies show that this is true. Studies have shown that this kind of light turns on genes in animals that help them deal with stress. Other midges stayed alive in the dark for longer. Scientists looked at the levels of metabolites in two groups of insects to figure out why high-energy blue light made them age faster, exposed to blue light for 2 weeks or kept in complete darkness. Blue light made the levels of dihydrate go up, but it made the levels of glutamate go down. Chemicals like glutamate that are important for how neurons talk to each other were lower after exposure to blue light. The changes that were found show that the fly's cells aren't working as well as they should, which may be why they died too soon and may also explain why blue light has been shown to speed up the process of aging in the past. Even though the signaling molecules in flies and people's cells are similar, it's clear that the things learned about these creatures can't be directly applied to people. People may worry that blue light could hurt them, and will hopefully be studied in the future. One thing that was done in the research was to shine a pretty strong blue light on the flies. Scientists warned, though, that because people are exposed to less intense light than what was used in the study, the damage to cells may not be as bad as what was found in animals. LEDs are now the most common source of light in phones, desktops, TVs, and other devices, as well as in ambient lighting. This means that people who live in more advanced cultures are exposed to blue light from LEDs for most of their waking hours. There is a link between spending too much time in front of a screen and having problems with your weight, not getting enough sleep, and your mental health, but the Scientific Committee for Health, Environment, and Emerging Risk of the European Commission has officially said about LED lights that there is no evidence of the existence of harmful effects on health directly from LEDs in normal use by the general population in good health. The LED lights were brought up in this sentence. The Commission has been told that these lights, like any other source of light, may mess up a person's natural sleep-wake cycle, which may be especially hard for some people, such as adolescents. Have you ever thought about the possibility that the blue light emitted from your screen may do you harm? Please leave a comment, and leave a like and subscribe to the channel.